Hi guys, I'm in the back of my Toyota Sienna 2021 and just randomly became curious, and so I came back here to the third row to see how many baby latches there are for car seats. I don't know about you guys, but I became curious because I have two kids and possibly might be having a third, so we could be ending up putting one back here. So this is the third row. It's 1, 2, 3-seater. I think honestly 2 adults would fit comfortably, not 3. So maybe 3 kids could fit and that would work. But there's 2 latches on this small side here. 1, 2. And then on the larger side, there's 1, 2, and 3 back there. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I found it to be pretty handy to know. So I hope it helps anyone who needs the information. And if you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.